Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Tuesday, the 1st of June, 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. It was quite a day, particularly in the economics world, but let's start with equity markets. The S&P ASX 200 closed down 0.3% today to 7,142 points. Energy stocks were among the best performers, while financial and healthcare companies were among the worst. All the big banks lost ground, while the big three miners rose. Macquarie Group and Telstra both fell by more than 1%, while REA Group, Woodside Petroleum and James Hardie Industries all jumped by 1.1% or more. Among the best performers were Whitehaven Coal, up almost 6%, Plumbing Group Reece, which rose 3.2%, and Megaport, which was 3.1% higher. On the other side of the ledger, Vitamins Group Blackmores fell 5%, Lynas Rare Earths was down 4.9%, and PolyNovo was off 4.4%. IOOF fell 2.5%, ahead of it officially taking control of the MLC wealth business later tonight. It was a massive day in the world of economics. Where to start? The Reserve Bank Board met this morning and following the meeting committed to keeping interest rates low over the next 3 years. But there was a hint in the central bank's communique that while the official cash rate was on hold, further bond purchases that keep a lid on short to medium term rates could be wound back. The central bank again noted the continuing global recovery and that Australia's pickup had been faster than expected. The board said there were labour shortages in some parts of the economy. Figures from CoreLogic show that property prices across capital cities rose 2.3% last month, their second fastest monthly pace since the late 1980s. House prices are up 9.4% over a year ago and have been rising for 8 straight months. There was a slew of data from the Australian Bureau of Statistics. The current account surplus hit another record high during the March quarter, driven by strong commodity prices, particularly iron ore, but also rural exports. The number of dwelling approvals fell nearly 9% during April, following a 19% surge in March, and company profits fell 0.3% last quarter, reflecting the wind down of government subsidies. It all points to economic growth during the March quarter coming in just a touch higher than forecast. Those figures are due for release tomorrow, and the big banks are predicting a result of between 1.6% and 2.1% growth for the quarter. The Aussie dollar is buying 77.5 US cents. Oil prices hit a new 3-month high today, with Brent crude pushing beyond $70 US a barrel. Expect to see that at Petrol Bowser in coming weeks. Gold prices were also higher. Wall Street was closed overnight for the Memorial Day holiday. That's it for the afternoon market report for Tuesday, the 1st of June 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the regular edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.